So Krishna is giving suffering to the devotee, to the guru. So is it Krishna giving suffering, or is it the reactions of the disciples that he initiated? Is it the reaction of the prabdha karma that he accepted that diksha from the disciples? Or is it Krishna just independently causing that? Krishna has dissolved all the prabdha, and still the guru suffers. So it's a little tricky to answer this question. That's why initially he said the guru may suffer or may not. So the devotee, that's why when Prabhupada was suffering different times in his time of his experience and his mission, then devotees were saying, Prabhupada's sick, we have to, everyone stop misbehaving, everyone behave themselves. It's our sins which are causing Prabhupada. That was the feeling, the feeling of gratitude or shamefulness. Oh, it's our fault. You're good, but we're nonsense disciples, so we're causing your suffering. So they felt sorry, you could say, repentant and sorry for that. So how or why the advanced devotees get sick or ill or seem to suffer and get disease and all the things like regular karmis? For the karmi, it's just their prabdha, their karma. But for the devotee, this is told everywhere in Shastra and by all our acharyas, it's a special mercy of the Lord.